one is Jennifer, and I have my cat lady box, which I've already opened. You see Pusheen getting excited. I already opened it. No, I know. I only took out 2 things, though. Here's the card. Try not to glare. I really love some of these cards. Are just amazing. So let's show what's in it, and let's talk about the card. Let's get the things out that are in the box. Throw my box to the side and let the cat have at it. Alright. So, let me find the card so I can read to you what it says. So, every cat lady knows, if you see a cat, you always stop, try to pet it, or at least say hi. Valued at $22.99. And here's the shirt. Making sure I have it at the top. And there is the shirt. Oh, hold on. I see a cat. Yes, that would be me. Hold on. I see a cat. It's navy blue, and it's adorable. I love that. The letters are kind of, you can't really tell. The letters are a little glittery. So I like that. Perfect shirt. The next item is also a wearable. I'm going to take the tag off so I can pop it on my head. It is cute. That's a cutesy one. I love this one. And then I'm going to put it on. You got to see the mouse. Oh, I have it crooked, don't I? Messy hair, don't care. Wrong way. Get it on there. There we go. Look at the ears. Alright, this one is the Knit Cat Beanie Hat. The perfect hat to keep you warm and cozy cat lady style. Valued at $19.99. And this is adorable. I love this. It's like a, what is that, like a burgundy? I like that. And the next item, oh, this is really cute. There's 2 in here. And these are retro cat wine glasses. Cheers to cats. Our new exclusive cat wine glass set makes any beverage meowsing. It is valued at $22.99. That's really cool. So let's check them out. Let's see what they're like. Let's see. Come on. They really seal the boxes. I'm just saying. They really seal them. I think there's tape on this side too. So let's check them out. Oh, I'm excited. I like the cat hat. Oh, these are nice. And it's wrapped in tissue. And it's glass. And there is a cat wine glass. And you can see how big it is in my hand. It's a good size. It is. There's 2 identical ones. Here we go. We have 2. That's awesome. So while it's in my yarn room, and until I can take them in the kitchen to be cleaned, it has to be packed up because I have a cat who is very nosy. He's very nosy about everything to do with the cat lady box. So we have to set that to the side. And next I'm going to show you the 2 cat toys. I have to show you on the card. We have the Meowie and Bright Ornament Catnip Toy. And that was cool. It's $4.99. And the Dangling Diamond Catnip Toy, which is $5.99. And obviously Pusheen loved them. He attacks the cat lady box until he gets his toys. He really loves them. And so on to here, it says, Julia Martrishkina is an illustrator, mom, traveler, and a big dreamer. Welcome to her world. You can check her out, her artwork on Instagram at Yellow Marshmallow. And Cat Lady Cares, portions of the proceeds, well, this portions of the box proceeds went to the Gulf Coast Humane Society, Precious Pets, Almost Home Rescue, San Animal Welfare Sanctuary, the Cats at Longstreet, and Good Karma Pet Rescue of South Florida. That is awesome. You can see right there. It tells you that they donate to them. But I love that card. That card is amazing. So, you know I will wear the t-shirt. I always do. And I love the hat with the ears. That's so cool. I love that. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the box. I know I did. And I know he did. Goodness knows the toys are in the floor. Anyway, I love you guys. Stay safe. Be kind to one another. And as always, happy yarning.